Hello, welcome back to Learning Math with me, Soto. Today's lesson is about writing ratios as fractions. When mathematicians want to compare two quantities, they have two tools to do it. They have ratios and fractions. That's why they use fraction notation to write down ratios. And I'm going to show you how. As you can see in this image, there are three different ways to write or represent ratios. The first one is using the word 2, the ratio of A to B. The second one is using the column, the ratio of A column B. That's the way you write it. And the more mathematical way to write it is using fractions, representing the ratio as a fraction of A over B. That's it. It's simple. Ratio as a fraction. In order to write the ratio as a fraction, I need to identify which one will be the numerator. Then this one here in yellow will be the numerator. And I'm going to put it in blue for the denominator. Now I can write down my fraction. My fraction will be 15 divided by 27. But this fraction is not simplified. Then in order to simplify it, I will divide both numbers by 3. 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. 27 divided by 3 is going to be 9. That's it. That's the solution. Now, the next question, 45 to 18. Again, I'm going to identify my numerator and I'm going to identify my denominator. Now I can write down my fraction, 45 divided by 18. Again, I can simplify this fraction. 45 divided by 9 is 5. And 18 divided by 9 is 2. And that's my fraction. It's done. Writing ratios as fractions, we need to write down improper fractions. And that's okay. In this case, for example, if I want to write down 23 to 20, I'm going to use this one as my numerator and this one as my denominator. Then my fraction is 23 over 20. And that's a fraction that I cannot simplify because 23 is a prime number. And it's okay, it's perfect. I leave it like that. The same thing is happening with this fraction here. When I talk of a ratio of 12 to 11, then I'm going to use this one as my numerator and this one as my denominator. My fraction will be 12 divided by 11. And it's okay. I just leave it like that because 11 is a prime number. Then when we have a ratio like this one, if we want to know the ratio of the total number of dots to orange dots, okay, we need to count. How many dots in total? 9. Let me do it like that. Okay, 9. And how many orange? Just this one. Then it's 9 over 1. It is important to actually write it like that. 9 divided by 1. Because we are expressing a ratio. Then we need to see the two parts of this ratio. Okay? This is the right way to do it. It was great to have you here. Thank you for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.